Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Keap for sales tax and payments tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Keap's login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the page. Look for the email address input field. Click on the field and enter your registered email address. Next, locate the password input field. Click on the password field and enter your password. Double-check your email and password for any errors. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on the link and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once your credentials are entered, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left side, find the Sales section. Click on Sales to manage your transactions. For sales tax tracking, locate the Reports section. Select taxes from the reports options available. Review the sales tax information displayed. To manage payments, return to the dashboard. Click on the Payments tab. Here, you will find an overview of your payment transactions. You can sort or filter the transactions as needed. Use the provided tools to add or edit any payment information. Make sure to save any changes you make. Review your sales tax and payment reports regularly to stay updated. Logging out is important once you're done. Find the account icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select the Logout option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.